Alright, camera rolling. Kita on lampu, bagi hilang shadow. Alright, hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video. So to those who are new to my channel, my name is Apit and welcome to my channel. So please do consider hitting the subscribe button because I'm nearly reaching 1k subscriber and I'll do a giveaway and also a 1k subscriber special video. And also to those who already subscribed, I would like to say thank you very much for all of your support. So today I'm gonna share with you little tips and tricks and also a way to actually improve your setup looks. So let's get to the intro. Alright guys, to those who already watched my previous video, you can see that there is a little bit of a difference in my current setup. You can see that it has a new look to it. Maybe it's not the PC and it's not the RGB. So today I'm going to talk about 3D wall panel. As you can see in my background, there is lines of, like, you know, trigonometry and geometry design behind me, and today we are going to talk about it and how you're going to install it. So in total, I actually spent 120 ringgit for the 12 panel behind me, and I spent another 10 ringgit for 8 meter of double-sided tape, this one. And this tape I bought SUS for the installation, and around 16 meter of double-sided tape cost around 20 ringgit. In total, I spent around 140 ringgit, which is below 150 ringgit for the installation and for achieving this kind of look for my setup. For me, honestly, I think it's actually worth every penny because I don't think that there is other way to actually achieve a similar look under 150 ringgit. So I think you guys will be the judge for it. You guys can comment down below, do you think it's worth it to spend 150 ringgit in order to achieve this look? So let's get to the installation. So first thing, kita buat line up dekat mana tempat kita nak line up kita punya panel tu. So, Syuk baru cerita kat aku semua tarik lalai Twice kat mana. Macam mana Syuk?
Buntut kau lah.
Cik Yam kat mana Syuk?
Kat sini.
Kat mana? Situ. Sana?
Sana dahi dengan tepi ni. Oh, dengan belakang ni.
Sama lagi, momo.
Momo, hidung, bawah bibir. Gio, tengah. Cui, tapak tangan kiri. Dayun, bawah kening kanan dengan tepi pipi. Ada lagi, Mina. Mina paling banyak. Raja, dahi, tepi hidung, bawah bibir atas, bawah bibir bawah. Atas bibir atas.
Tolong fact check dengan sama.
Jongyong, tepi mata. Halus je.
So as you can see in the time-lapse and also installation video, the process is actually quite simple and straightforward. The only part that I would say time consuming would be putting this double-sided tape, which I didn't include in the video, putting this double-sided tape on the 12 panels because it's so big. So you know, it takes a lot of time to actually align it properly. And then I think the one of the challenge when I actually putting it on my wall would be putting the two panels together and minimizing the gaps between the panels. Actually, this is also tips for you guys that you actually want to make sure the gaps is minimized, so you will achieve a better clean look, as it will see all pieces are actually together and in one piece. So I think that is all, guys, and I hope you guys can comment down below. Do you think that this spending 150 ringgit for achieving this look is worth it? And I would like to see if you guys would like to try it, because I'll include the link to the wall panel and also the double-sided tape in the comment section below. And please, again, consider hitting the subscribe button down below, because I nearly reaching 1k subscriber, and I'll do a giveaway and also a 1k subscriber special video for you guys once I reach 1k subscriber. And also hit the like button and tell me anything you want to see next or any video ideas. So that is all, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.